Uba Renikton lingdot tong Kyrwoh MLA ka mau kurwat bat menteri beri khmi ya katanat PHE ka sarkar jilla halor ka jingpen kre jung u ya ka election jet nong mi khmat chaka ying dor bar thau an ka jilla Meghalaya house nam 8000 arpulai ulaong baula le ya ka ba tam bat ula ban le bat kyrmen bakan biang ulaong ba ulalong uban kre na ka banta ka election bat ka United Democratic Party bat Hill State People's Democratic Party kila kershan ya uha ka election 8000 khatpra bat sngo pair AA bat usngo baude MLA jong baro art lagi party.
Hardly any difference. You see, like in my case, both party has supported me last election 2018, and I really don't understand. I don't feel any difference because both party has supported me 2018, and I keep claiming also that I am the MLA of two party. So I don't feel any difference contesting from HSP or contesting from UDP. Both parties are regional parties, and we understand also each other. So hardly any difference. I think I look tired. I spend time, most of the time, to my constituency. I met my people there, and yeah, I have done the best I can. I hope it will be okay. In fact, we have already prepared. It's not that we are waiting for a joining or for the party, but we have already prepared. So it's okay. Anytime, if the election can come before also, I'm very happy.
Halor ka jingpen yang bujli kertong ka HSPDP ha ka jaka jong u dau wei pat ulaong boom sngo pher ya kata wat la ka sei kertong bat ki paj ba kite ba yano kin kersan ba u e ba ha ka jing start kinong tap vote.
It's okay, they are feeding, yeah, of course, but I also understand that a party who have an MLA and do not feel the candidates, it looks, I mean, it will send a wrong signal to the people of the state. So it's okay, I don't feel anything. I have nothing against the HSPDP fielding the candidate. They will get their own vote. And let's see, I have no problem. I'm contesting the election on my own, and I think people, they know whom to vote. So I left to the wisdom of the people from Meghalaya to take the decision whom to vote. You see, I've told that if I shift to another party, to another regional party, the only reason is that I want to see that in the state of Meghalaya there should be one strong regional party in the state of Meghalaya. That was the clear reason. And if I shift, I will not shift to the smaller party, but to the stronger party, to the bigger party, with that intention, very clear intention to strengthen the regional party forces in the state of Meghalaya. It is mixed, people. I mean, the mixed reactions there. Some people, they say it is better if I stick with HSPDP. Some people, they say if you stick with SSP, you will not get newcomers, new supporters. So it is a mix. It's not one. It is a mix only. But I'm telling you, it is okay. I do anything with the consultation and with the advice of my own people at their expectation.